Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you do not miss the latest uploads. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion templates to sell online. What is Notion? Notion is a SaaS, like software as a service, and they literally allow you to kind of curate your workflow and everything that has to do with your business. But still, the good thing about Notion is like what you create can be exported in the PDF format, can be linked out to people to use in the digital format as well. And then an idea popped into my mind. Why don't we make money off of Notion? Well, yes, I'm not the first person to think of this idea, but I have a way to simplify this whole process for you. Easy, guys. So please stick around to the end because it only gets better. So the first thing I want you to do is log on to Notion, and this, if you're on the art YouTube channel, I want you to know that this is my PLR mastery machine, and it's a tool that I created solely with Notion. It's an amazing tool. I use it personally for myself, and it allows you to track your progress with rebranding PLR. And PLR are private label rights products. If you don't know what they are already, perhaps I'll leave a link to my PLR YouTube channel to check out to understand what really PLR is. So I use it to track all of this, and I also have a planner for this. So as you guys can see, there is so much you can do with Notion personally and as a commercial like income source for you. So the first thing you need to do is like if you want to like base your whole business on Notion, then you have to follow this hack that I have for you. Head on to bookboat, or better still, watch my video on how you can create low content book with bookboat. Then head on to, I think I have a low content book here that I created with bookboat. Okay, let's search for that. We're basically going to be creating low content books and be exporting the interior to sell on Etsy or selling links to the digital formats for people to have digital planners online. Now, especially if you're a productivity person, YouTuber or blogger, you can always like sell your templates that you use personally. You can sell it to people and tell them that okay, this is how you personally work and this is your workflow. It's very easy to sell Notion templates. So this is one that I have for you. What we're going to do with this one is very quick hack and okay, very quick hack here. We're going to be duplicating what we find on that particular file. Okay, so this is it. It's loading. This is low content book. Hopefully, okay, this is it. And it was a note that I made. So we can definitely make this a Notion. Remember, my common tagline is the only limit to using online tools and internet marketing is your imagination. If you can be creative enough to think of new stuffs, then you surely excel in this industry. So let's head on back to our Notion template and then click on this. Probably it's going to show you my pillar planner. Then you add a new page here. You can title it anything you want to name it. Perhaps it's your productivity tool. Productivity. So this is your whole, you cannot share a link to your whole Notion website. Rather, you have to share a link to each of them. These are mini sites that Notion allows you to create. Now, you can add tables, you can add boards, but I prefer to start empty with icon. So now you can add anything you want to add, depending on how you want it to be. You can create sub pages, you can create to-do list, you can create you can basically leverage the tools that template has that Notion has itself. So before you can create Notion templates, you have to have a format you have in mind. It's going to be easy if you already use Notion because I sell a particular template. This is one I sell, the Planner Pro, because in the normal, this is a free tool, but I only allow you to track or plan 20 PLR and that's it. Unless you want to like erase your past PLR and you reuse the space, then you're good with the free version. But if you want to keep track of all of them just in one view, then you need to upgrade to the Planner Planner Pro Pillar Planner Pro. And basically, the difference is that I allow you. This is just a duplicate of the first one, but this is editable. I gave them the rights to kind of add more tables, add more checklists, edit it how they want to. But on the other hand, this one is just they have to use it the way it is. They cannot edit anything. So if you want to see how it works, this is it. You click on this link option, allow editing. Okay, so that's how it basically works. So the next thing you want to think about now is when you've come up with your digital planner idea, how do you bring it into life? Now you need to be very illustrative, creative. That's why I opened the tab with our low content book. We saw a notebook. So why can't we create a digital notebook? I've never created that before, but let's try it out together. Perhaps text or lines. Okay, gallery inline, tables inline, list inline, calendar inline, timeline inline, board inline. Depends on you. Okay, inline equation, mention the page. Okay, okay. Huh? Like have a to-do list. Like, nope. It depends on you what you want to create. So plain text. Just keep adding things. And when you're done, let's add a table, for example. Table. And you can add quotes. You can embed a page in it. You can add tables. Okay. So this is a table that I added. Add plus more tables. That's that. So when you're done with what you created, just click on this and click export. You can export in HTML, Markdown, CSV file, or PDF. Now, if you're using it as a KDP low content book, you have to export as a PDF and upload it to KDP as your interior. If you're trying to embed it on your website, you export it as HTML format in HTML format. So include sub pages and let's export it in PDF format. And you see how it looks. Okay, take your time. And that is that. It's done. It begins to download here. And there, this is it. Make sure the reason why this untitled appeared is because um I left it to appear there. You want to clean out any nonsense or any fluff on your file there, especially with these tags and names, and make it like appropriate for an interior. But the most prominent way people sell Notion templates is just as they are in the digital format. How you do it is click on share, you get the link, copy the link, and then you head on to perhaps Google Docs. Then you paste your link inside, create a PDF. Okay, let's do it together. Let's be a live walkthrough. Head on to Google Docs together and you paste it on your Google Docs. If you have a new Google Docs, then you download it in preferably PDF format, and then that's how you have your document to share with people. Let's start with a blank template. Basically, how people make their PDF. We have the link. You just have to click on the link. Okay, perhaps say get access to your Notion template. Okay, make this finer and this folder, and then you add Control A and link inside. Right? Then when we download this, perhaps in PDF format, it goes down to our inbox or our computer file, and then you see how it comes out at the end of the day. So let's see. Okay, opens up. Come on. Now I can just click on it and it takes me to where I want to be. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you apply this method. I'll leave a link to my PL Mastery machine tool, the free tool that helps you track it. And that's it, guys. Bye bye.